syempre, this is the first time that I got to work with the best. Ayan, I got to work with my sobrang idol. Sobrang idol ko to. Ayan, alam niyo yun. Noong una kami magkita, halos nagpa-autograph ako. Ayan, si Kuya Leo Menjola. Si Kuya Leo Menjola is napaka-low-key lang niya. Napaka-simpleng tao niya. Pero hindi makakalain, is full of talent talaga. Sobrang napakaraming talent niya. Napakagaling niya yan pagdating sa arts. Ayun, actually kagabi, I was looking for an artist na makakatulong ko, mag-assist sa akin sa paggawa nito. Kasi nga, ayan o, we're doing the entire facade of the Nuestra Señora de la Asunción. Ito yung parokya ng Bulacan, Bulacan. But since we're running out of time, kailangan talaga ng makahanap ako ng isang artist na makakatulong sa akin. And I approached Julia. Julia is his daughter. Ayan, first year college. Fine arts yun, kuya, di ba? Si Julia. So, I approached Julia kasi magaling siya talaga. Oh, that's why, because she has a great father ayan, pagdating sa arts. So, in-approach ko siya, hindi siya pwede kasi may pasok siya by Saturday and Sunday as well. Busy siya. So, sabi niya, try ko kuya i-message si tatay. And then, nung sinabi niya yun, sabi ko, I never hesitated to chat kuya na, sige, chat ko na lang si kuya direkta kasi wala na talaga And pinag-pray ko naman yun bago ko chinat si Julia may ni God, kumaga, sige. And then, yun, grabe na pa ako si kuya. At alam niyo ba, we're not talking about price kasi talaga, this project is not costly. And at the same time, we do not receive the best talent before this talaga. Parang ito yung mairaos mo lang. And then, parang nito is for the town of Bulacan, Bulacan. Not for anybody else. We're doing this for the town of Bulacan, Bulacan. Although he is from Obando. Di ba, kuya?